welcome back to my channel Stay Fit with Deepika. Today we're going to do the last episode of our 6-episode Pilates series, and we are going to learn a few advanced moves that we have not done before. So without any further ado, let's start the workout. Before we start the workout, let's not forget the most important thing, which is engaging your core. So lie down on your back, push your tailbone up towards the spine, your ribcage down, and your belly button in towards your spine, imprinting your spine on the mat. Now lift your shoulder blades off the mat, lift up your right leg and then your left leg. Start crunching, and as you do that, make sure you're touching your knees to your elbows every time you crunch. As you bring your knees in, take them apart, and as your legs go out, push your inner thighs together. This way, you're working on your inner thighs as well. Now bring your knees on the chest, rock on the back twice, and use the momentum to go into a standing position. Your hands on the floor and jump into a plank. The next exercise is called as plank leg pull. So come down on your elbows and make sure your shoulders, your hips and your heels are in one straight line. Maintaining that, lift your right leg just a little bit off the floor and start rocking forward and back. When you're rocking back, you're engaging your hamstring and pushing your heel away. And when you're rocking forward, you're using the strength of your shoulders. Rock 4 times and then switch side. And then lift your left leg up slightly above the floor, rock 4 times and switch side. Let's do 4 repetitions with the right leg up and 4 repetitions with the left leg up. Keep alternating your legs. The next exercise is called as kneeling side kicks. For that, bring your left knee on the floor, place it right under your hip, your left hand also on the floor, exactly under your shoulder. Rotate from your hips and your shoulders and lift your upper leg. Make sure the upper leg is in a straight line with your hip. Now move this leg forward and backward. Point your foot as you go forward and flex as you come back. From there, we go into kneeling tilts. Standing on your knees, bring your hands in the front, engage your core again, and as you exhale, tilt your body. Remember not to sit but tilt. Keeping your body nice and tall from your knee till your shoulder. Let's do 10 repetitions of that. And as you finish the 10th repetition, hold the tilt. Now holding that tilt, we'll move the arms up and down. Exhale as you bring your arms down. Inhale as you bring them above your head. Make sure that all this while your spine is nice and long and you're not sitting in your pelvis. This will challenge your quadriceps and your core. From here we'll move to called as kneeling side kick on the other side. So now bring your right knee on the floor exactly under your hip, your right hand exactly under your shoulder. Lift up your left leg and brush your foot as you move the leg forward and back. Finish 10 repetitions and then lie on your back. Once again, as soon as you lie on your back, engage your core and imprint your spine. The next move that we're doing is called as Pilates 100. Lift up your legs about 60 degrees to the floor. Lift up both your shoulders off the floor. Keeping your abdomen nicely scooped in, move your arms up and down. Every time you do that, exhale through the mouth. Once you've counted till 20, go down, take a deeper inhale, exhale and come back up. Again count till 20, go back down, take a deeper inhale, exhale and come back up. Once we finish 5 sets of that or 100 repetitions, then we're done for the day. So that was all for Pilates series. Thank you so much for the wonderful response. I will see you soon with another series of fresh workouts. Till then, take good care of yourselves. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.